Is Bitcoin going to 81K or 58K first? We're going to take a look at what price action has been doing over the last 2.5 months, and also what we're looking for next. If at any point you like this content, please like and subscribe for more. Yeah, we've been coming in day out, aside from in here for a family emergency, and taking profits from the market. Like I said in one of my previous videos, it's like robbery at this point, legal robbery, and it's great. A lot of them turned out to be scalps, but we lock in profits before we get stopped out. So yeah, if you like trades like these, link in the description. We're going to take a look at recently what we've been doing and go from there. So yeah, this whole week we were waiting for a pump up to 75K. 75K was kind of the target, the main target, which is why we entered at 75K. We didn't know we were going to pump up to that TPO at 76, but that's why we had our stop loss in the right location, and ended up taking a 6% profit on that short. And I'm pretty sure I have a picture here. Yeah, right here. So told people when I entered, you know, obviously order flow was telling us that, you know, a lot of shorts at the high, meaning we could get another pump. We initially entered on, you know, one of these candles, so we ended up getting another pump. And yeah, it was just one of those things where you don't know if we're going to keep going here. It could have just, you know, kind of given another little fake out here and flipped 74, 75 into support and kept going. So you know, erring on the side of caution, trying to mitigate risk. But aside from that, we knew the level, we had the level, and we entered, and we made profits. Then we looked at this long here. It ended up being just a scalp. Like I said, we thought maybe, you know, a little fake out here, dip below, find support, and tap some demand and go up. We did, but ultimately came back down to another long entry. Like, I mean, we're just nailing it. We're just nailing it. So, but we do this every week. So if you don't believe me, go check the other videos. All the proof is there. But yeah, we have been nailing it. We're currently long and short, so we're hedged, and no matter which way the market goes, we're gonna make some money. So all big question here is, are we going up to 81K first or down to 58K first? And for that, I'm looking at this chart here. You know, in terms of the big fibs, we haven't really hit them yet, right? Front run the 618 golden pocket, front run the anchored VWAP from I don't even know where, a long time ago. This is one of the main anchored VWAPs, and so I mean, can we be done here and go up? Sure. Does that mean we're going up to a new all-time high? Who knows? Nobody really has a crystal ball, and if people try to predict in this game, they get chopped up. We don't predict, we just prepare ourselves with levels, high probability levels and high confluence levels, and we just wait for the reaction. And so we're reaction based, not prediction based. So right now we're looking at a value area high. You know, obviously it's you know, is it going to be support, or is it going to be resistance? That's the question. If we do see this value area high right here keep support, you know, we could see this still kind of, you know, still run up, and maybe we are going for that 81K. You know, we also have this anchored VWAP going up around that 86K. So who knows? But we will be taking profits obviously before then. Or are we going to take this, you know, take this value area high and come down, flip it into resistance, and kind of head down? First target being the point of control, second target being that value area low ultimately. So and at that point, you know, we're taking this low. Are we just going to take that low and dip back up here? I mean, I guess it's possible to kind of keep that higher low thing happening, right? You know, but I don't know. I mean, obviously we'll have to see, you know, and check order flow when we get down there, but I don't see why, you know, price wouldn't want to come just take all of that, you know, just take all of that liquidity. So obviously we're not going to go there straight in one line. I mean, it's possible, I've seen it happen before, but you know, we might get these moves first, which are scalpable, are tradable, and then we'll see if we end up getting, you know, that move into our 58K area or not. And so that's kind of what I'm looking for here. You know, key level right here. You know, are we gonna bounce from here and maybe even get one more fake out and kind of head up, or not? That's what we're looking for. So Funny enough though, I just want to let you guys know, if you're still here in the video this far, this trade right here, this long that we're in right now, that we're currently in profits, we already took our 1.5% on that pump right here, that initial pump after touching it and whatnot. But it was actually given in the free Discord. We just launched a free Discord, and yeah, this trade was given yesterday at 9:43. So yeah, I do know some free members did end up getting the trade, and yeah, if you like free, please join up. We just launched this free Discord. It's got you know, how to use the signals, live updates, the whole 9 yards, and yeah, even some bonuses, some affiliate programs, some resources for anyone from, you know, beginners, as you can see, to you know, even more advanced stuff like order flow training. So yeah, if you guys like free, please join up, and yeah, hope to see you in that group. So yeah, now you guys kind of know, I mean, based on this chart, what I'm looking for. Kind of, you know, we're kind of at that key level. Are we gonna flip it as support? Are we gonna, is it gonna keep us down and stay as resistance? Who knows? Time will tell. We did get this market structure shift here, obviously on the higher time frames, right? So are we just coming down to, you know, hit some type of demand, you know, and pop back up? Very, very possible. When we do get to those levels, or even, you know, if we were to, you know, keep going here, we check the order flow. We check our software, our data, and we know what's coming. Basically, we can get in even if we miss the full low here, which we didn't this time. But even if we were to, and price comes back up here, and we get in a little bit later, it's not the end of the world. You know what I mean? So we're gonna come in here every day and trade. If you want signals like these, please join up, and yeah, hope to see you in the free Discord. I'm gonna keep this video pretty short and sweet, and leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.